Yo, what's up YouTube? What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if you are new. We got some goodies. These are two of the goodies that we got from what we ordered from my 2025 Honda Grom. If you guys didn't see when we picked up that bike, go watch my previous video. We had some fun that day. But here I have the TST Industries flush front turn signals, whatever. These are the connectors that we're going to be connecting this to make it just basically plug and I can never say plug and play. There you go, plug and play, instead of having to cut the wires and connect everything and do all that shit. So I don't have enough room back here, but right here behind the headlights there are 4 Allen bolts. It's like between the headlight and the forks. You'll see them. 2 Allen bolts on this side, 2 on this side. Just got to remove those, and I believe the headlight comes off. Unplug it. Then we had to remove these 2 Allen bolts down here as well to have access to the nut that's holding the turn signals in there, I think. So let's start by removing over here. Wait, we don't want to strip this. This is not working. So we gotta get something else. Oh man, it's always something. Let me see if the one I have here works. This one. I guess we're gonna turn it. Not as tight as the other two. Get these out. The headlight already moved. You see? There you go. Just gotta wiggle it. I don't know what's holding it in there. So now, just gotta get this little clip out of there. There you go. Disconnect this. Now we just take these 2 out. I gotta go upstairs and get my battery for the camera. It's already low. I don't even know if it's recording right now, but if it is, then you guys are watching this right now. There you go. Just these clips holding it on. Remove this grommet, and then we have the 10mm right in there. And then just have to disconnect it from here and put the new ones in. Come on, little washer. I know you guys can't see anything right now, but I can't either. Now we gotta take this little plate off. See this little thing, and I believe that now we can pull it out. That grommet, you just gotta push it to the other side. There you go. But wait, all this just comes out through the other side. Just feed it through. This is out. Just push this out. Same thing with that side. But first, let's put this one on and show you guys how that's gonna work. So these come with this washer and this nut. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is what it comes with. one for each side. So this, we're just gonna feed it through, and I think it doesn't matter the way it goes. We're just gonna feed this through here, this one too, and then just tighten it. I don't know if the long side, because it has like this little, you see, there's a long side, and then this one is a little shorter. So I'm assuming the long side goes to the back. Yeah, it doesn't say front or back, so I'm gonna just put it in the back. I'll tighten this to hold it in place. And this is how it should look. That little tiny one and this big one, which is a huge no-no. And that orange doesn't look too good. What do you guys think so far? Looking good? It's gonna look a lot better once I put the headlight back on. But now that this side is connected, I try to put this back on, but I don't know, because the little washer don't let it go all the way in. So I might remove that, but since I already have it on, let's test it out real quick. No, I did not get them with the DRLs like this one, so it's only gonna work when I use the turn signals. Let's start with that side first. Hey, it don't work. Just stay on. Why is it not working? Probably because of the relay. I ordered a relay, I forgot, but that's upstairs. I didn't show it to you guys. Well, I'll go grab it in a few. Then we'll put it on and see if that makes it work. Because, you know, this is LED now, so the stock relay doesn't work. But yeah, let me go get that first before I do this side. This right here is what I was talking about. Here's the part number. If I can get it to focus, probably if I move the light. That's the number right there. We just gotta take this seat out. So the relay we're going to is, if I can get you guys back here with the tripod, this one right here. Let's see if it's working now. Turn this on. Let's go straight to the right. There you go. Now it's working. See, it was the relay. Now we got both installed. So let's see. Should flash a little bit quicker now. There you go. Yup. They both working good. This bike don't have hazard lights. It doesn't, so we're good on that. Let's put everything back together and do some cinematics. Little bonus point, now let's remove these orange reflectors from the front, because they don't look really good. So it's just that little 10mm right there holding it, and then that should come out. Cleaning up pretty well now, without those turn signals up here, without the reflectors down there. She's looking good. We might do something else. I got a lot of parts, so, but what we're gonna do, I don't know. I'm gonna think about it.